All is one. Parmenides, 515–445 BCE. The ideas put forward by Parmenides mark a key turning point in Greek philosophy. Influenced by the logical, scientific thinking of Pythagoras, Parmenides employs deductive reasoning in an attempt to uncover the true physical nature of the world. His investigations lead him to take the opposite view to that of Heraclitus. From the premise that something exists, it is, Parmenides deduces that it cannot also not exist, it is not, as this would involve a logical contradiction. It follows therefore that a state of nothing existing is impossible, there can be no void. Something cannot then come from nothing, and so must always have existed in some form. This permanent form cannot change, because something that is permanent cannot change into something else without it ceasing to be permanent. Fundamental change is therefore impossible. Parmenides concludes from this pattern of thought that everything that is real must be eternal and unchanging, and must have an indivisible unity. All is one. More importantly for subsequent philosophers, Parmenides shows by his process of reasoning that our perception of the world is faulty and full of contradictions. We seem to experience change, and yet our reason tells us that change is impossible. The only conclusion we can come to is that we can never rely on the experience that is delivered to us by our senses. In context, branch, metaphysics. Approach, monism. Before 6th century BCE, Pythagoras sees mathematical structure, rather than a substance, as the foundation of the cosmos. 500 BCE, Heraclitus says that everything is in a state of flux. After late 5th century BCE, Zeno of Ely presents his paradoxes to demonstrate the illusory nature of our experience. 400 BCE, Democritus and Leucippus say the cosmos is composed of atoms in a void. Late 4th century BCE, Plato presents his theory of forms, claiming that abstract ideas are the highest form of reality. 1927, Martin Heidegger writes Being and Time, reviving the question of the sense of being. Understanding the cosmos is one of the oldest philosophical quests. In the 20th century, evidence from quantum physics emerged to support ideas that Parmenides reached by reason alone.